Good morning, guys. It is currently August 29th, and today I am going to Ikea to get my desk that I will be using for my online classes for school. So, as you guys can see, I just woke up. So, I'm gonna get ready and I'll take you guys with me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got ready to. I put a little bit of eyeliner and I'm gonna put chapstick when I'm about to head out, but my outfit's pretty plain and simple. I'm just wearing a Metallica shirt with American Eagle ripped jeans and Crocs because I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking and I want to be comfortable. So, I know people have love and hate feelings about Crocs, but honestly, I love them. They're comfortable. So if you guys are wondering, this is where my desk is gonna go. I'm giving that to my sister. That's gonna go away, and that's to donate. And then this will be moving here, and my desk will be in the middle. Okay, guys. So outfit update. Decide not to wear the Crocs, so I went with my white low top Air Forces. Yes, I'm wearing black socks with it, but you can barely see them. So we're about to leave, so I'll see you guys in the car. Huh? We're almost there. Oh. Boop, 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 boop. What? You guys, I am sweating. I'm sweating. I had to fight to get my desk. Well, it's not the one I originally wanted, but it's close enough, and they were literally out of stock. I might just end up painting it white and put marble contact paper. But guys, I'm sweating. I fought for my desk because there was only 3 left, and a couple were going to get 2 of them, or maybe 3, but I took the last one before they could take 3. It's hot and I'm sweaty, and I can't wait to build this. It's in black. I don't know if I said that, but it's in black. Okay guys, so we checked out. We are now waiting for my dad to pull up the car because it started raining and we don't want the boxes to get wet. by the way guys, if you see my hair more red than the usual, it's because Monday I got it dyed just to start the school off with my refreshed red hair. So yeah, it's in a ponytail because it's going off three-day wash. So I'm gonna move my furniture over here to fit my desk. So continue watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I love it. I like the bookcase right there, and my little storage space fits so perfectly. And I just have to bring my chair from downstairs upstairs when I used to have my desk downstairs. So I love it. And then I'm gonna have my things hanged up right here, so I'm excited. I do have majority of white furniture, so I might have to do something to not have it so popped out. So what the white marble I was talking about was this. I usually put that on all my majority of my white furnitures, so I might do that. See how it looks. If I don't like it, I can take it off. It's removable. So yeah, let me start putting stuff inside there, where making things put home. Yeah, that. I am now done putting everything where it needs to be. I still have this little crate right here that I'm gonna be putting downstairs, where we keep majority of our little knickknacks in our, like, I guess, hangout area. So I'm gonna go put that down there right after I'm done wrapping up this video. But guys, that's pretty much it. I am pretty happy on how it looks like. Probably next video I'll show you guys an update, because I'm not quite done, but I just want to wrap up this video because it's quite long. So there you go guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.